Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you're a Latin guy just like me, then you probably already know about this. This is the Goya seasoning with Azafran. You know that once you do this to your foods, anything that you're trying to season this with, you're gonna have like a really good meal. So one of the things that I like from this is that it's not too high on salt, but at the same time, it gives you all this nice seasoning that you would put to any one of your meats. I did this the other day with some mash, with some ground beef, and it just tasted awesome. It didn't have no salt added, and the whole azafran flavor already got it's just great because it gives you this nice color. It's not gonna look dull. Your food is gonna look always nice, like if you're in a party. So I've seen this with grandmas, I've seen this with most of my family, and now that I'm starting to cook more for myself, I kind of know now why they are doing this. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.